Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can change the minimum nights on your Airbnb listing. The navigation is more or less the same whether you do it from the phone app or from the computer. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just go over to the top right. You will see switch to hosting option. Click on that. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And then you need to click on calendar option in the top menu. That will open up the calendar, and on the right hand side, you will see pricing and availability tabs. Click on availability, and the first option here is the trip length, and this is the minimum and maximum nights for your listing. Just click on minimum nights and you can change it to whatever setting you want and click on save. This will apply the minimum nights on your entire calendar. And if you want to apply minimum nights on certain dates only in your calendar, just click on this custom trip lengths option here and click on add a custom trip length. It will prompt you to choose the dates first. So just drag your mouse over the dates you want to choose and then click on next. And here you can set the minimum nights you want to apply for the selected dates. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.